Hello guys, this is Nancy. This one is our Gucci belt bag. Okay. The item number of this bag is 450956. Okay, now let me show you the details of this bag. First, let's check the duster bag comes with the bag. Yeah, the Gucci duster bag here. Okay, so first let me show you the box. This is the box of this bag. Okay, Gucci logo on the top. Now let's check the details. Yeah, here we find the two pouches here. This belt bag has two pouches, and this one is with snap flap, and this one is with zipper closure. Yeah, okay. Check the patterns of these two pouches. Double G here. Yeah. Double G pattern. Real leather material. Now let's check this label. Gucci here. Okay. Snap. Check the details of the metal. Gucci made in Italy. Okay. This is the zipper. Silver zipper here. Okay, the inside is nylon, black nylon material, and here we find a Gucci label here, Gucci made in Italy. The other side is the item number of this belt bag. Here we find 450956. Okay, and this is the booklet of Gucci. Check the other side. Okay, so this is the design. Now let's check this one. The black is the inside is all black, real leather material, and the belt is Gucci green and the red stripe belt with a black buckle. This is the buckle. Okay, and then here silver hardware. The strap is adjustable. Really nice belt, Gucci belt back here. Okay, so this is all I want to show you about this Gucci belt bag. Real leather material, really nice. So if you have more questions, or if you also like this bag, you can contact my WhatsApp. This is my WhatsApp. Thank you for watching my video.